Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of my basement art studio renovation series. I just want to go ahead and preface this entire video with a little disclaimer and an apology for the very loud noises you're going to hear. My refrigerator, my little mini fridge is right over that way and I can hear it, so you guys probably can too. So sorry about that if you can hear it. But yeah, let's go ahead and just kind of have a little chat. So last time you guys saw me working on this wall back here, and that's really pretty much what I'm still doing, and I'm hoping I can get the rest of layer 2 done. So hopefully I can get the rest of layer 2 done today and you guys can see that, because I'm really excited about seeing where I can take this next. And I don't really know what the rest of the vlog is going to be yet, because this is my intro and I haven't done anything yet, so just kind of letting y'all know that just ahead of time. But I thought I would just go ahead and give you guys another little tour, just to kind of catch you up if you maybe are new to this series, or maybe you haven't seen this space in the daytime lately, because normally when I film these particular episodes, they're at night, and so the natural light isn't really coming in. But today, as you can see by the window being open over here next to me, natural light is flooding the studio, and I'm really excited to show you guys how that looks. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Let's start off with the darker part of the basement and the very cluttered part, which, you know, you come down these steps from the main floor and there you are, you're with all the clutter and the mess that we have to clean up still. And then here, an old easel from like my preteens and teens, and back behind it, my new well, new meaning I got it for Christmas this in 2017, but it's going to be a drying rack and storage center for paintings. I've got a little shelf cubby here. Again, a lot of you may have already seen all of this, but I don't know that you've seen it in the natural light of the daytime, so I thought it would be really cool to show you guys everything right now. So let me know what you guys think down below. This space is probably like roughly 3 times as big as my upstairs art studio if you count this whole space here. But if you don't count this, and if that ends up being just a seating area or something, then my studio down here will be about double the size of my upstairs studio. So that kind of gives you an idea of what I am working with. Now here are the double doors. There's a lot to repair. You can see how nasty the floor is right there. It's really gross and chewed up, and I don't know how it got that way because it was there before we moved in. When we looked at the house, there was a rug over that, so I don't even think we knew about it, but it's all good. It wouldn't have kept us from buying this house. But as you can see, here is kind of my view out of my studio, and like the front doors of my studio and what it looks like outside. And then here is another window, and you can kind of see all the trees that I have a view of out there. And here's my little mini fridge that currently only holds my paint roller to keep it from getting really crusty. Over here is just the stuff I showed you guys in the last vlog that we got from Lowe's, and that table's actually supposed to go outside, and that umbrella is supposed to go inside it. As you can see, it's all just taken apart right now. It's been really windy the past couple weeks, so that's one reason why that's not out there. I had that out there just like a week or 2 ago, and it got really, really windy that day, and I was like, of course. So I brought it back in, like, immediately. There's my shop vac. I don't have a normal vacuum. I have a shop vac. I have a really crappy little tiny miniature vacuum, and then I have a little hand vacuum that I actually really love. But I don't have a normal, just like, house vacuum, so that's really interesting. There's lighting equipment that I think I mentioned last time. But yeah, here's how the light kind of comes in. You know, it's casting this beautiful light on the floor here. And here's the window that will be probably in my main area where I paint and stuff, because I plan to pretty much just be like right here, or I mean right over there, doing painting, but of course that could change. I might end up going over that way. It really depends on what I want to do that particular day that I'm painting down here. But yeah, for now we're just trying to create the space, make it beautiful, make it worthy of being called an art studio. It's just really rough right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a little tour. So now let's just jump into working on the wall some more.
Like I said, think you'll win. Yeah, you wanna bet.
Okay guys, so that's basically it for this vlog. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you clips of like what it looks like right now, which is basically just more white paint on another layer. So it's not really a ton of progress, or at least it doesn't look like it is, but man, it was hard work. So just look at these clips of the wall, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, and don't forget to come back next Wednesday to check out the next episode. So I will see you guys next time. Bye! So before I go, I just want to shout out my patrons. They're on the screen right now, and I just want to thank them so much for supporting me. They're always so super kind and sweet, and they help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for being patrons.